I think I messed up. I jumped into a rapid weight loss diet. Let me tell you why that was a mistake. Rapid weight loss diets can seem like the perfect shortcut. VLCDs, very low-calorie diets, and LCDs, low-calorie diets, promise quick results by drastically cutting calories. But here's the catch. Slashing your intake to as little as 800 calories a day can lead to losing 3 to 5 pounds per week. Sounds good, right? Not so fast. These extreme diets can cause serious side effects like gallstones, gout, fatigue, and nutritional deficiencies. Plus, they mess with your hormones, making it likely you'll regain all that lost weight. Experts say it's better to aim for a gradual weight loss of 1/2 to 1 pound per week with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Slow and steady wins the race after all. For those with obesity-related health issues, rapid weight loss under medical supervision can be an option, but for most, the safe bet is slow, steady progress. Remember to consult your physician before starting any new health plan. And hey, don't forget to practice the 3-6-9 manifestation method when making lifestyle changes. Stay healthy and take it slow.